Hard not to be bullish on Quant when you look at the current price action and then the multiple partnerships, bullish partnerships at that. You're seeing stuff like Barclays, BP, Visa, Swift, MIT, Deutsche Bank. I think that Quant is in a prime position of opportunity, sitting at around a $88 price point, which is a $1 billion market cap. Quant is one of those projects that sits at a $1 billion market cap that I'm confident in saying can hit a $100 billion market cap. Now we toss that around all the time, and the more you navigate across the cryptocurrency space, the more you understand how tough it is to get to $100 billion market cap, but also sustain it, family. But if you know what Quant is working to build as far as what the over ledger technology stands for, I think a lot of people they're looking at Quant price right now like it might not go much lower, and I'll show you guys some things that I'm seeing on the chart from a long-term perspective. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about Quant. Again, Quant has some very bullish tokenomics. It's one of those projects that push out that buzzword, that key buzzword in the crypto space, which is interoperability. To put that into perspective, Quant is the road that all the crypto cars navigate on. So the crypto projects are the cars. Quant literally is the road. So there's no, there's not literally a competition to Quant. It's easy for Quant, in my opinion, to hit the heights of 100 billion, maybe a $200 billion market cap, because it's not competing with Ethereum. You get what I'm saying? It's not really in competition with Ethereum like we see from a lot of layer ones and those type of chains. Quant itself is allowing developers to build out multi-chain apps. So dig this. So you'll be able to not only build a multi-chain app, which they call maps, family, but you'll also be able to put that multi-chain app on multiple blockchains. So truly a interoperable project here that's connecting different blockchains through a messaging system. So I'm very bullish on the use case and utility in Quant, because the one thing we know about crypto is that it needs interoperability. The user, the the ability to just navigate across DeFi is completely annoying. Why do I know that? Because I do it all the time. I hate using Ethereum and paying these fees and have to go through those speeds, and I hate going through all that. I'd rather just have one chain that I can use where I can just buy everything. So I believe Quant is connecting multiple blockchains, being truly that interoperability that we need to see in crypto. Why is Quant important? Quant is important because it aims to solve one of the biggest challenges in blockchain space, which is interoperability. Interoperability is the ability of different blockchains and networks to communicate and exchange data with each other without compromising security, efficiency, or scalability. Quant Crypto powers the Quant network, which provides a platform. And not to add, there's a utility, because in order for you to even build a map or dApp on the Overledger Quant ecosystem, you have to hold Quant. You need a certain amount of Quant to even develop or build within their ecosystem. So if you want to build a project that can truly be interoperable through multi-chains and different blockchains, you have to hold Quant. Businesses, retail, doesn't matter. You have to hold Quant. You have to go through Quant. So there is truly a utility there. Taking a look at the tokenomics, you can see that the circulating supply is 81% of the max supply, which is only a measly 14 million. To put that into perspective, Bitcoin has, I believe, 21 million max tokens and was able to hit the heights of 60,000. So we're talking about a project right now that's at a $1 billion market cap, right, with less tokens than Bitcoin. I've seen many people say, hey, why would I DCA in Bitcoin when I could just DCA in Quant? So there is a conversation where you would say, well, right now Quant may possibly be the better buy. Not to add, they're working with countries with CBDC infrastructure. We know CBDC is a huge narrative, whether you like it or not. As an investor, as an opportunist, you have to look at a CBDC opportunity as far as an investment. You got to look at a CBDC investment, excuse me, as an opportunity and not have emotion when making that decision. If it's something that's going to be huge, it's going to be big, it's not nothing one person, me or you, are going to be able to stop, then why not invest into the opportunity? Doesn't mean you're a sellout or anything like that. You're just putting yourself in a position to win with a narrative that, frankly, we're personally not going to be able to stop. Now, I'm not for, or I'm not for CBDCs at all, but I'm not against being an investor and investing into an opportunity. So I really like what Quant could be. Is that at $88? Come on, man. I know a lot of people want Quant to go down further. I mean, there's allegedly rumors that they're working with Oracle. Some people say it's true partnership. Some people say it isn't a partnership. But again, everybody wants to get their hand on Quant because it's truly the one blockchain that connects all chains together. All right, so and I don't even want to call it a blockchain. It's the one technology that connects all of the chains together. So taking a look at Quant from the charts, you can see here on the weekly family, there's an argument to be made that Quant is finally in an uptrend. If it puts in a higher low here and continues to go up, it's hard to see Quant reaching back to these lows, maybe 40-50 bucks, but we know there is support there. And if we do break this uptrend, this little mini uptrend that we're in, we could easily fall to that support around $56, 56, anywhere between $40 and $56. You can see the stock RSI is in the depths of hell. So, the pain can continue because we do not have any confirmation that the trend will change based on the momentum indicator, the stock RSI. Taking a look from a monthly because I want to see if Quant is at that position where it's bullish. You can clearly see a lower high here from here, and looking to put in another lower high. But what we do have in our back pocket is the stock RSI is looking to reset here on the monthly, but we're nowhere near 20 or 25, so we don't have any type of confirmation. Again, riding that uptrend like a champ. If that uptrend is broken, I expect Quant to fall anywhere between $40 and $56. I just don't think it happens because a lot of people are licking their chops right now, like Quant, under $100 if you know what you're holding. Like I said, I'm not working to be the most genius guy with explaining the utility or use case, right? But if you understand interoperability and how this is the true connector between all cryptocurrencies, right? I can't, I don't know what to tell you. All right, so Quant, a lot of people may think it's an expensive project, $88. Hey, I get it, but all you need is 10 Quant, 5 or 10 Quant, and it's putting you in a very good position if we're able to hit the next bull cycle and a lot of liquidity and institutional money pours into the next bull cycle. And hey, this is one of those projects that will garner institutional interest. It's not like a meme coin or a speculative project or a low micro cap where you got to think like, oh, will this get institutional interest? I think Quant will get institutional interest. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Quant. Can Quant hit 1,000, 5,000, or even 10,000? I want everybody in the comment to give me your best Quant predictions. That's how I know you watched the video to the end. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.